Welcome to this tutorial on Revolut Saving Vaults, a feature designed to help you manage your finances and reach your savings goals. In this guide, we will walk you through the benefits and features of Revolut Saving Vaults and provide practical examples of how to use them effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Revolut Saving Vaults are a type of savings account that allows you to set aside a portion of your money and earn interest on it. The main advantage of using Revolut Saving Vaults is that they help you separate your savings from your everyday spending money, making it easier to stick to your savings goals. One of the key benefits of Revolut Saving Vaults is that they are highly customizable. You can create multiple vaults for different savings goals, such as a vacation fund or an emergency fund, and set a target amount for each vault. This allows you to prioritize your savings and focus on achieving specific financial goals. Another advantage of Revolut Saving Vaults is that they offer a high level of flexibility. You can deposit and withdraw money from your vaults at any time. And you can also set up automatic transfers to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. To get the most out of Revolut Saving Vaults, it's essential to set clear savings goals and prioritize them. Start by identifying what you want to save for and how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Then, create a vault for each goal and set a target amount. For example, if you want to save for a vacation, you can create a vault called Vacation Fund and set a target amount of $1,000. You can then set up automatic transfers from your main account to your Vacation Fund vault and track your progress over time. In addition to helping you reach your savings goals, Revolut Saving Vaults also offer a range of other benefits, including interest on your savings and real-time updates on your account balance. This allows you to stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. In conclusion, Revolut Saving Vaults are a powerful tool for managing your finances and reaching your savings goals. By creating multiple vaults for different savings goals, setting clear targets, and prioritizing your savings, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial stability. Whether you're saving for a short-term goal or a long-term objective, Revolut Saving Vaults can help you get there.